Alright, if ads are popping up everywhere while you browse, yeah, that can get really annoying. In this full guide, I'll show you how to block ads in Google Chrome, step by step, the right way. First, Chrome already blocks some intrusive ads by default. To check this, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Site Settings. Scroll down to Ads and make sure it's set to block ads on sites that show intrusive content. Next, go back to Site Settings and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Turn this off to stop unwanted pop-ups. For stronger blocking, install an ad blocker extension from the Chrome Web Store. Search for trusted ones with high ratings and lots of users. Click Add to Chrome Confirm, and the extension will start blocking ads automatically. You can adjust settings inside the extension, like allowing ads on certain websites if needed. Make sure your ad blocker stays updated so it can block the latest types of ads. Some websites trigger more ads than others. Avoid suspicious or low-quality sites to reduce ad overload. Clearing cookies can also reduce targeted ads that follow you around online. And yeah, that's how you block ads in Chrome. With the right setup, your browsing becomes faster, cleaner, and way less distracting.